Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete BeReal account. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. BeReal is a social media app that's growing in popularity partly because it emphasizes posting in the moment, unfiltered snapshot of a user real life. But there are some incidental security and privacy concern with BeReal primarily relate to the urgency of posting at a specific time, and it's all too easy to reveal your location in BeReal posts if you don't disable the geolocation feature. If you tried BeReal and you're ready to move on to another social platform, you can delete your BeReal account using its mobile app for iPhone on Android. But before that, you can delete your BeReal account first. How to do it? It's very simple. On my previous video, I've shown you how to create your BeReal account, how to use it, and now I will show you how to delete this account. It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our BeReal apps. Now you can go to the settings. You can go to your profile in here. You can go to the settings on the upper right corner and the gear icon in here. Now on the settings, you can go to others, tap on others, and you'll find there is an option delete account. You can just tap on that, tap on delete account. You can answer the reason why you want to delete your account. Too many bucks or not enough for friends. I will choose this one. So when you delete your account, you will be logged out immediately and your account and all your data will be scheduled to be permanently deleted. If you log in within those 15 days, your account will no longer be deleted. You can tap on yes, I'm sure. Your account will soon be deleted. Your account and all your data will be deleted in 15 days. Deletion is permanent. If you change your mind, you can tap on login and cancel deletion. You can tap on yes, I'm sure. So now you have your BeReal account is deleted. It's very simple, right? If you change your mind and want to get back your BeReal account, you can just log in back before the 15 days. So that is how to delete BeReal account. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.